Good evening to all of you. My name is Panishu Abhishek. I'm representing Arpa India as head of marketing for Arpa, and I'm together with my team here. You see, we are a big team. So I'm going to talk about a revolutionary product which was launched today. And this product is called YOC, and this is going to positively impact the patient on this in terms of making the technology available. This is a standalone pricing based on unique tripolar technology which was launched last year. So this generator can accommodate all advanced features of pricing technology together with the bipolar technology as well. So in terms of patient care, I think the affordability goes better because the user, the surgeons, the hospitals, they did not need to probably invest much into the advanced technology, which is of course there. They can wish, they can go for it. But in terms of affordability, it would be more cost effective. And to represent better patient outcomes in terms of lesser procedural times, lesser blood loss, more patient benefits in terms of lesser pain, and in terms of usability, the surgeons will have lesser fatigue, so you can focus more on procedure rather than the instrument. This is very easy to use instrument. The Trisect which is there, which is also would be compatible with this new YOC generator. And with this, there would be a lot of ORs operating across the country, which would be benefited because of this particular technology was not available earlier. Now this technology is available. They would be benefited with having this technology, with the possibility of upgrading their operating rooms with the advanced bipolar and advanced energy devices. So with this, I would like to conclude the talk. I would also like to thank the ICCON team here, the organizing team, especially Dr. P. Sanjanathan, Dr. C. Palanimiru sir, and entire organizing team who have helped us to create this awareness across the fraternity. And I would also like to thank my entire Arpa India team. So we have representation from the entire Arpa India team. So they were instrumental in bringing this up and making this happen. And at last, I would like to thank all of you, the media personnel, through whom we are reaching out to the masses. And I think it's very important that the entire patient and the country knows about it so that they can benefit more. So thank you so much, and hello.